I hope you're having a great day today. This video serves as your personal invitation to my virtual happy hour next Wednesday, April 24th at 7 p.m. And it's just specifically for my friends, my family, and my clients. So we're gonna be together in an intimate virtual space. And I'm doing this virtually so that those of you that live far away from me can join in on the amazing information that we have to share. So bring your snacks, bring your drinks, your libation of whatever you want at 7 p.m. We're gonna talk about tapping into your home equity. So I'm gonna have 3 specialists on with me. One is going to be a HUD certified contractor. He's going to be able to talk to you about home renovations. What are the best renovations to do that are going to bring you the most return on your investment? And what are the typical costs of those renovations, which is a big question that you guys have. And you may or may not have money in your bank account to do this. That's fine. We're going to have 2 mortgage lenders on. One who specializes specifically in 55 and older mortgage products. And there's some really great items available for you to tap into your home equity right now and use that to either purchase an investment property, a vacation home, resize or downsize out of your current home, or maybe you want to stay in your home and you want to do some modifications to it, and that's okay as well. We're going to talk about how to source the funds for that, how to tap into your home to get the funds for that, and be able to do all the things that you want to do. So that's next Wednesday, April 24th, 7 p.m. It's on Zoom, so you don't have to be with me. You can be wherever you are with the device, and we're going to have a really great time, giveaways, and we're just going to have a great evening ending Wednesday night together. So I hope to see you guys there. I'll send you the virtual Google form link to register, and I'll see you on Wednesday. Have a great day.